I want to go backwards and talk about this Excel template that you made for driveways, because one of the biggest things I hear from people in the industry, especially if you're not doing million plus a year and bringing in all those outside softwares, is that everything takes forever. Every estimate takes an hour. And you
Yep.
went out and found a way to kind of streamline that process that works for you. What other areas of your business, other than that Excel template, that you look forward to streamline, automate, delegate, or eliminate?
So my next place is to go as far as streamlining goes. The quote is definitely where I think the biggest streamlining can be done. While you're telling me your address, while you're telling me what's wrong with the driveway, I've already got the address in Google. It tells me how many square yards it is. And that spits me out a number down at the bottom that's rounded up to the next 10 yards of, 10 yards per truck. Everything changes per the amount of truck, where it's coming from, what pit, how many yards, and how much time it takes, per 10 yards to be delivered and to be spread and graded. So generally over the phone, I can give you an estimate within the first 2 minutes of being on the phone with you.